Email marketing alone can generate 30 to 40% of your store's total revenue, but most beginners make this way more complicated than it needs to be. They're using one app for email, another for SMS, manually building campaigns, trying to figure out automations, and now juggling even more tools just to use AI. But there's actually one platform that can handle all of this. So today, I'm going to show you the email marketing platform I've been using for all of my Shopify stores. It handles email, SMS, automations, promotional campaigns, list building, and even connects directly with the AI tools you're already using like Claude and ChatGPT. The best part is that it's completely free to get started, and you can always upgrade as your business grows. So I'm going to take you inside the platform, show you the features I actually use, and explain how I'd set everything up if I was starting a new Shopify store today. So without wasting any time, let's get right into it. Now, obviously, there's a lot of email marketing platforms out there. A lot of people use tools like MailChimp, Klaviyo, or even Shopify's built-in email tools, and they can all get the job done depending on what you're looking for. But for me, I want something built specifically for e-commerce, handles more than just email, doesn't cost a fortune as my business grows, and has all the automation tools I need without downloading 5 different apps. And that's why I've been using Omnisend. So instead of spending this video comparing all the different features, let me show you how I actually use it. So when you first log in, there's really only 4 different things you should be focused on: building your list, setting up automations, sending your campaigns, and tracking what actually makes you money. And if you're starting a Shopify store today, this is the exact order I'd set everything up. So I'll leave a link for you guys down below in case you want to follow along. You can go ahead and get started by creating your free account. We're going to start by connecting our Shopify store directly to Omnisend. You'll install the app directly to your Shopify store, fill in all the information it's asking you for, like your brand colors, your logo, and everything else to make your emails look that much better. And this is what I mean when I say it's built directly for e-commerce. It's gonna sync up all of your Shopify store's data and let you start sending email campaigns right away. But before we worry about sending emails, you need people to actually send them to. So we're gonna start by building a form that pops up for every visitor on our website. That way we can trade something like 10 or 15% off their first order in exchange for their email and phone number. And once we have that, we can start building a list of people that we can market to time and time again. So I'll start by clicking forms down here on the left-hand side. So you guys have all these different templates to choose from. You have branded options like this. You have the fun spin the wheel ones like that. You guys can scroll through this entire list and check out all of these templates until you find one that you want to work with. I'm just gonna go ahead and select this basic one right up here at the top. So you guys can go ahead and customize this offer right here. You can give them 10% off their first order, 15% off their order, free shipping, a free gift, or anything you can think of. The more creative you are with this, the better it's gonna convert. So you just wanna go ahead and create a no-brainer offer for all of your customers to land on. So you can go ahead and say 10% off your first order, and you guys can customize this entirely to your liking. You have all of these items that you can drag on over here. You can edit the behavior, who it shows up for, the scheduling, the display, and all of these other options. Then you guys can click on step 2 and customize this. That way we can capture all of their phone numbers as well. And if you guys aren't interested in SMS marketing, you can simply delete it down here, but I recommend leaving this up for now. Then after that, you guys can customize the success message right here. You guys can go ahead and just type in the discount code right here, or tell them to check their email, whichever one you prefer. Same with the subscribed option down here if they're already subscribed to your list. So make sure to edit your brand colors, add your logo on here, just clean this up and make it look visually appealing and well branded to your store. You don't want it to stand out or look bad, so make sure you spend some time customizing this. Then once you have it all customized to your liking, you can click enable form right up here at the top. So you now have a form live on your website, collecting all of your visitors' email addresses and phone numbers. That way you can really start building a list and driving additional revenue with email and SMS marketing. This is something you should always be focused on with any new store you build. Now I want to show you guys how to set up the 3 most important automations you should always have running on your store. So to get started, click on automations over here on the left-hand side, and let's go ahead and explore their pre-built templates. So you guys are going to have every automation you'll ever need on here. Everything from your welcome series, abandoned cart, product reviews, product abandonment, order follow-up, and so much more. And if you don't see something on here already, you can go ahead and just create one from scratch. So that way you're not missing out on any sales here. So let's start with our welcome series. This is when someone joins our list, we want to introduce our brand, deliver our offer, build trust, and start moving them towards their first purchase. So you guys can click customize workflow down here, and you can customize this entire email to your liking. You can even add additional emails to this series if you wanted to, but you can change everything from the subject line, the sender name, in the actual template of the email you're sending. So make sure this is well branded, visually appealing. You can always use AI tools to help you set everything up. Like it can write your copy for you, come up with images and banners for you to use inside your email. That way you have clean, high converting emails that you send out to all of your customers. So same thing, you can customize anything on here. Titles, you can add photos, change the body text, add your logo, anything that you need to. Then you can customize the behavior of every email you send, and then once you're ready, just enable the workflow. And just like that, we have a form live on our website capturing our customers' email addresses and a welcome series that sends out to every new customer. So make sure to add any product recommendations, social proof, more about your brand. This is where you're warming up your customers and getting them to trust you. But then after that, we want to set up our abandoned cart series. This is when someone was interested enough to add your product to their cart, but not complete their purchase. These are some of the highest intent customers on your store. So to get started with that, same thing, go over here to automations, select the abandoned cart workflow, and it's gonna give you 3 automated emails that send out to your customers until they come back and complete their purchase. So you can go through each one of these emails individually. Once again, make sure you customize them to your brand, your tone, your liking, and always have your target customer in mind. You're not writing these to be salesy or tell people things they don't care about with your store. You always want to talk about what's in it for the customer and give them some sort of an incentive to come back and complete their purchase. So you guys can start by reminding them in the first email. And then if they still don't come back, a few hours later, you can send out that second email, giving them like 10% off their first order. And if they still don't come back a few hours after that, you can send them a third follow-up email offering them like 15 or even 20% off their order. And make sure to tell them that their cart's closing soon, so you have to come back and buy right now. So make sure to spend some real time in here customizing each one of these emails. And then once you have all this set up to your liking, once again, just enable your workflow and it's live and set up and running on your store. There's no other tool that makes this easier to set up than Omnisend does. So let's set up our third automation now. This one's called your post-purchase, because most beginners completely stop marketing after somebody buys from them, which makes no sense at all. That's when you have the most information about that customer. So same thing for this one. Click on automations, then over here on the left-hand side where it says type, click on post-purchase, and you have all these different post-purchase emails that you can select. So you have things like product reviews, cross-sells, customer reactivations, and order follow-ups. One thing I always like to do is the cross-sell emails. So somebody buys one item from you, you can go ahead and send them a series of emails to cross-sell and upsell your other products. Or even the customer reactivation, when somebody goes a certain amount of time without buying from you, you can warm them back up to your brand again and get them to come back and buy something else. But for now, we're gonna set up the cross-sell automation. That way we can go ahead and upsell our other products on our store to our existing customers. Since they're already warmed up to our brand, they bought something else before, why not buy again? So same thing, this has one email in this series, but you guys can add as many emails and texts on this flow as you want to. Make sure to customize each one entirely to your liking, edit the behavior, and then when you guys are ready with this, click enable workflow. And you guys now have the 3 most important automations running on your store. Your welcome series, your abandoned cart, and your post-purchase. So that way you can welcome new customers, capture any lost orders, and upsell your existing customers on your other products. And this is gonna significantly increase your revenue if you're already running ads on your store. Now, automations handle your predictable customer journeys in the background, but you still need a way to generate revenue whenever you want. And that's where email campaigns come in. You can come up with entire promotions to send to your list or certain segments within your list anytime that you want to. So you can do this for certain holidays, events, flash sales you're running, or anything else you can think of. Like for example, one of the stores I was running in the past was in the pet niche. I was selling dog products specifically. So I would always send out emails on days like National Dog Day or anything similar. That's just a really good way to drive additional revenue to your store anytime that you want to. And you can do this for any holiday event or promotion that you can think of, even product launches. So to set up your first email campaign, go ahead and click on campaigns over here on the left-hand side. Let's start by creating our first email campaign. So you guys can customize this subject line with whatever promotion you're sending. So if you're doing a product launch, a flash sale, a certain event, or anything else, make sure to include a reference to that in your subject line. And you always want to use this to drive curiosity and get people to actually click on your email. Right here for your sender name, that's the name that actually pops up in their inbox. So I like to do something like Alex from whatever brand I'm running. That way you give it a personalized look. It doesn't look like it's just coming from a brand and it doesn't end up in promotions. It looks like a personalized email that you're actually sending to someone. And typically this gets a lot more clicks than anything else. Same thing right here for sender's email address. You can set all of this up in Omnisend with your custom domain. So you could do something like support@mywebsite.com. Then right here for pre-header, this is just that pre-header text that shows up in their inbox right here. Campaign name, this is for internal use only, so you can name all of your campaigns and track them all later. Then once you have all of that filled out, you can choose your email template with this button right here. So you can select your goal, your theme, or the type that you want to send over here on the left-hand side, or scroll through their entire list. You guys are going to have hundreds of different email templates to choose from. And it covers everything from certain holidays and events to flash sales to things like Black Friday. Or you can select a blank one and start from scratch. But their email templates on here are going to cover any event or promotion that you'll ever want to run. But for example, let's say we wanted to send a midsummer email. We could use this Summer Essentials template right here. You can click Use Template and customize this entirely. So you can add any elements that you want to on here. Text, buttons, videos, products, logos, or anything else. You can customize your images, the headers, the content, the footer, everything to do with this actual email. And then once you have this customized to your liking, you can select Save and choose recipients. So right here, you're gonna choose who you actually wanna send this to. You can send this to all of your subscribers, or you can send it to a certain segment within your list. And then you can schedule it to go live at any time that you want to. And this is just a really good way to plan all of your promotions for the week. So for my own store, I use automations to handle the customer journey in the background. And promotional campaigns when I want to push a new product, sale, holiday, or just a special offer. So now let's talk about segmentation real quick, because the bigger your list gets, the less you should be sending every message to everyone on it. So to get started with that, click on Audience over here on the left-hand side, Segments, click on Create Segment, and they're gonna have a ton of pre-built segments that you can choose from, or you can start entirely from scratch. And they even have an AI tool that can assist you with all of this. You can just tell it exactly what you want, and it's gonna go ahead and build it out for you. So for example, one segment I always like to include is high potential buyers. These are subscribers that have bought a couple high value items from us, but haven't bought anything for a while now. So that way we can send campaigns just to this list and get them to come back and buy something else. But you're gonna have a ton of additional segments, like high value subscribers, recent buyers, recent high value buyers, US SMS subscribers, US and Canada SMS subscribers, or any of these other ones down here. So go ahead and set up all of your segmentations, and that way we can market to specific segments within our list. Because you don't want to send every email campaign to everyone on it. You're gonna waste money that way and get people sick of your brand. Now, everything I just showed you is why Omnisend is the best email marketing platform out there right now. But this next feature I'm about to show you is one of the most important things that I've been using recently, and that's Omnisend's AI connections. And basically, instead of constantly opening your dashboards, exporting reports, and digging through your data, you can connect Omnisend directly to the AI tools you're already using, like ChatGPT and Claude, and actually talk to your marketing data. So you can ask it things like which campaigns generated the most revenue over the last 30 days, or which automations have the lowest conversion rates. Even analyze my campaign performance and tell me the 3 biggest opportunities I can improve, or based on my recent results, what type of campaign should I send next? You can literally ask it to do anything, and it's gonna pull up all the data on your Omnisend account, analyze it, and give you accurate suggestions. And now you can even have these AI tools build out your entire campaigns for you. There's no other email marketing platform out there that can do all of this. And this is where I personally think e-commerce is headed. AI becomes a lot more useful when it can actually access the tools you're already using for your business, rather than copying and pasting and going back and forth all the time. So now let's talk pricing, because obviously none of this matters if it costs more than what your store is making. So as you guys can see right here, Omnisend has their forever free plan with everything you'll ever need to get started. Gives you 500 monthly emails, 250 contacts, and 500 web push notifications. But then they have their standard and pro plan that start at just $11 a month. And all of these plans and features grow with you as you scale your business. So you can start on the free plan, and when you actually start making money with email marketing, you can always upgrade as you go. And for what I personally need from an email marketing platform, Omnisend gives me the best balance of features, simplicity, and price. So if I was starting a brand new Shopify store today, here's exactly what I'd do. I'd connect my store to Omnisend. I'd create one pop-up with a strong first order offer. I'd build my welcome series, abandoned cart, and post-purchase automations. I'd start sending 1 or 2 promotional campaigns every single week. Then I'd segment my customers as that list grows. Then I'd connect Omnisend to my ChatGPT or Claude so I can start using AI to analyze what's working and improve everything over time. You don't need 10 different apps or some complicated email marketing strategy. You need a system that builds your list, follows up with customers automatically, gives you a way to generate revenue on demand, and get smarter as you collect more data. So if you want to try out Omnisend yourself, I'll have a link for you down below. You can get started completely free, connect your Shopify store, and follow along with everything I just showed you today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let me know in the comments below which app you want to see me break down next. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.